Hey, Extreme Beer Fest, I'm Tom with Great Notion. Today we're over at the Northwest 28th facility. This is our larger brew house production facility. We do all of our packaging here, and when we package here is a beer we're sending out to you guys for the this year's Extreme Beer Fest. This is Peanut Brother. We've been making this stout for several years now and just kind of refining it every time we get a chance to, and it's definitely turned into a better beer because of those, obsessive tweaks. This is certainly just a great example of a pastry stout. It's got some extreme flavors, and that's kind of why it always jumps out in our head to contribute beers like this to a festival of this nature. We start with quite a few roasted malts, chocolate malts, crystal malts, and really add an awesome chocolatey flavor just from malt. And once we start mashing, we're really converting all those sugars, but when it all comes to the boil, this beer endures quite a long boil for several hours. We work in some Columbus hops to just kind of counteract the sweetness that's inevitably going to remain in the can, as well as some lactose, which really just takes that big body we've been trying to create from all the wheat and the sugars, all the sum of its parts. You get a big, chewy, thick beer here, and it's already got some killer flavors on its own. After it ferments, our guys in the cellar, they will pack recirculating tank full of hundreds of pounds of Ghana cacao nibs, and we'll kind of wash the beer over that tank for a period of a day or two, just whenever we like it and it's tasting right. The beer's flavored with peanut butter cups, and nothing is subtle about it. This is chocolate and peanuts in your face. There's no denying. We've kind of really done the job we set out to do. Peanut butter cup in a can. It's a meal, it's decadent. You want to share it with your friends, enjoy it. Cheers, keep your fun.